Hey, this is Emily from WPCourseGuide.com, and in this video, we are going to be talking about how you can restrict a page using LifterLMS block visibility settings, similar to membership restrictions. I went over this question with a client yesterday and thought I'd make a video to share it out. So when we think about restricting a page in WordPress based on whether a user is enrolled in a course or membership with LifterLMS, we usually think about the membership restriction settings. If we edit a page in WordPress, I'll show you an example of this. So over on the right hand side, if we scroll to the bottom, we see membership access to restrict this page, and it only allows us to select a membership. This leads multiple people down the road of saying, well, if I want to restrict WordPress pages, then I must have a membership. But we're going to show you another way to do it, where you can restrict the page based on a course. And it's very simple. So how we can do this is, instead of using our membership access restriction, we're going to use the feature inbuilt in the block editor that LifterLMS offers out of the box. So if we go back and imagine we're adding a new page, and this is going to be a page only available to members of a certain course. Available to members of X course. And spell that right? Available to members of a certain course. Let's figure out which course I want to restrict it by. So if I head to courses, Emily's course. Okay, great. Emily's course. So any content that is on this page, may it be a paragraph, could it be an image, we can drop in anything we'd like here. All the content on our page. Let's make our aspect ratio, thumbnail. And then we could also enter like a short code. The client I was working with was using a GPT software. It's really cool. You can embed your GPTs directly in WordPress. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a video about how to do that. But whatever it is, whatever you're formatting for your page, when your page is completed and when you're ready to restrict it, what we're going to do is use the document overview up here at the top. It's the 3 lines stacked on top of each other. Great feature. We're going to select our first one, shift click, and select the one at the bottom. First block. Shift click, select the one at the bottom. We want to highlight all of our blocks. Then we're going to click the 3 dots and put them in a group. Now that they're in a group, we can see in the hierarchy over here on the left hand side our 3 blocks within a group. And over on the right side, LifterLMS offers us enrollment visibility features. So it currently says display to everyone. We're going to change it to display to enrolled users. It's jumping around on me. Enrolled users. And instead of any course, we're going to say any of the selected courses. So I'm going to do Emily's course, and publish. So I don't think I'm enrolled in Emily's course, so we can give it a try and see what happens. Maybe I am enrolled in Emily's course. Let's look. So we'll play with this a little bit. So if I edit my course and I scroll all the way down to my student area, am I test? I think I'm test. Let me invalidate my order really quick and say that it was refunded. I refunded my course, and so I no longer have access. There we go. I can't see the page anymore. But if I were to enroll again, I would be able to see that content. And so the cool thing about this is that we can also do the reverse. Get the meta boxes out of the way. I'm not a fan of this new up and down editor thing, but I don't know, I'll get used to it. So so we have our group with content that's only visible to Emily's course, but what if we want to say, hey, you're not in the course yet. If you're a member, log in or buy here. And then we can provide a button to maybe a sales page where they could get access. So if we put a button, get access now. So what we would probably do here is provide a purchase button for them to purchase access to the course. Let's get this little drag and drop thing up here. There it goes. Okay, free. Well, I guess my access is free, but if we imagine it's not free, forgive the errors, this is my demo site. We'll place the buy now link right on our Get Access Now button. This is where people will go to purchase their access. And then, like we did with the group below, we're going to group our paragraph and buttons block together. We're going to put them in a group. And this group is going to be set to only non-enrolled users or visitors. in any of the selected courses, and we're going to select Emily's course. So if you are not enrolled in Emily's course, you will see this content, and if you are enrolled, you will see the actual content that we want you to see. So my client had like a cool GPT thing going on, and so if you're not enrolled, we're going to get access to the course. We can go buy access. Let's imagine that we paid for access. No, it's me. It's me username. Enroll me in the course. So now that I'm enrolled, I should not see the sales content, and instead I see the actual content. That's how you can use a course to restrict pages in WordPress with LifterLMS and do a little bit of creative stuff with block visibility. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see something more stylistic, more designed, but this is functionally how this feature works for pages.
If you want to see more content like this, videos, tutorials, and courses, check out our website, wpcourseguide.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.